Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can reset your PC. Now you might want to reset your PC for a number of reasons, so I'm just going to show you how you can do it directly. It's the easiest way. So just go on Windows, open settings. Once it's open, you go to update and security here. Now what you need to do is go to recovery, and there's this option of reset this PC. Now as you can see, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. Yeah, if your computer is too slowed down, you might want to reset it. So I'll just click on get started. Yeah, so there are two options here. You can either keep your files, the personal files which are saved, or you can remove everything. Right now I don't need to reset this PC, so I'm just going to leave it here, and you can do it for yourself. It's easy. Yep, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.